said I was going on an adventure, I definitely didn't know it was going to be like this. Oh, what a day. What a day. We just finished eating here at the Timberview. And not only is it a nice place, but look at the view. Let's see if I can get this pole out far enough. I guess that's it. Yep, look at it. If we don't, we're a big doo-doo. I mean, I hate to say it, but it's a fact.
Now, come on, Bidenomics.
Shit, yeah. Yeah. You see that? You see that? Now you know what country you're in. And I didn't even spark that one. All I did was walk up to my vehicle.
Get your shirt.
Yep. Yepper.